Hello everyone, we are Robin and Graham. In this video, we finally explore the beautiful city of Cusco. Located in central Peru, it's known for its history and vibrant culture.
Join us as we explore the historic center and local San Pedro Market.
Good morning, everyone.
It is another beautiful day here in Cusco. We found that during the day, it's pretty nice and sunny, and today's a little bit overcast. And then in the evening and late night, it starts to rain a little bit more.
Yeah.
So today we're taking full advantage and going on a free walking tour.
So our Airbnb is just outside of the historic center of Cusco, which I honestly love because it's a little bit quieter. It still is on that main street, so a little bit of traffic, but less tourists. So we did have to come to the Plaza de Cusco, so the main Cusco Plaza here to meet up with our guides. Now this is something we just booked online. There's honestly so many different walking tours that you can do that are all free. It just goes by tip. When Graham was looking, he found that if he looked at Guru Walk, it listed all of the different types of walking tours. So the company that we went with was Real Cusco, and we'll let you know how they are.
Okay, so far we're off to a really good start. Most interesting thing we've learned so far is with the walls and the Inca versus a colonial architecture. Colonial has a 90-degree angle to it, and the Incas never used 90 degrees, so their walls kind of came out and a little bit more rounded, so they're like a trapezoid. Very interesting. Whoa! I also just want to preface this is all information that we are trying to understand and trying to tell you. So if you're curious about anything, definitely do a little bit extra research or come to Cusco and get your own free walking tour.
Okay, so we just learned about the three most important animals in the Inca culture. So it represents the three different worlds. So you have the snake, which is the underground, the puma, which is like the ground level, and the condor, which is the sky.
Okay, walking tour is going great. One thing that I've found interesting here that we've learned so far is that a lot of the maps and streets and things have all to do with the three animals, the snake, the bird, and the puma. So on that map that I just showed, it's the puma. So the main streets that the Inca people formed were in the shape of a puma. Very interesting.
So we just learned that if you get a house in like the main area of Cusco, it's like 3 to 5 million US dollars. It is so expensive. So the locals are starting to live on the sides of like the mountains surrounding Cusco because it's super unaffordable to live in the main area of Cusco.
Okay, we are now entering the French portion of Cusco. On to the next stop. Okay, we are off to our last stop of the tour. Best view of Cusco City. Also, as you can see how steep this road is, cars do still drive it. And you have to walk on the sidewalk because they can't stop.
What a way to end the free walking tour. This view is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
Silly us, we forgot our drone. This would be literally the perfect shot.
Look at how nice this is.
Cusco just continually surprises me with how beautiful it is. Honestly, the landscape and seeing the city crawl up the mountains is just so breathtaking. You can definitely get in a leg workout when you're exploring Cusco because you're constantly going up and down and up and down and up and down, but it was just such a good time. Honestly, can't go wrong probably with any of the tour companies out there, so choose one that speaks to you.
Okay, so we thought we were at the last stop of the tour. Obviously not. We've come to a restaurant kind of close to the main plaza, and he's bringing us all passion fruit pisco sours.
Arriba, abajo, al centro, un movimiento y adentro. What is it? That's a passion fruit sour.
Okay, we've had some lunch, relaxed a little bit. Now it's time to head up to San Pedro Market. Okay, so we just finished at the market, and next we're going to do something that Grant has actually wanted to do for a long time, but couldn't do because he doesn't have a son. Now that I'm a part of his family, he wants to take me to enjoy this new experience, I guess. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a straight razor shave. So I've been growing out my beard here for the last couple of days knowing that this was coming. So we'll see how it looks when we're all done. Just like that, we're all cleaned up.
Also, before we move on to our next thing, I did just want to say that the market was a super cool experience. We were definitely in more of a local part of Cusco, not so much
100%.
touristy.
We got out of the main square, which was a nice change. Because it seems like a lot of the things that we've done have either started or ended there or take you through there, so yeah.
So it was a nice thing to add to our trip. The city of Cusco is it just keeps surprising us. I just absolutely love it. There's so much to do here, but I think now it's time to get some supper. So we have come back to the Andean Grill for supper. This was where we ended our free walking tour, and with it they gave us a special menu. So there's a deal for 35 soles. You get an appetizer, a main course, a dessert, and a drink. So it's a great deal, and I am very excited for it because I am starving.
Course number one, soup.
So for the main course, we are having spaghetti because we actually just had a meeting with the company that we're trekking to Machu Picchu with, and we leave tomorrow, and he said that this would be a good meal to have today in preparation.
And for dessert, ice cream and fruit. Okay, I think that brings an end to our amazing day exploring Cusco.
Honestly, we had such a great time. Like I always suggest doing a free walking tour whenever you get to a new place because you learn a little bit about the history, it helps get you oriented, and Cusco is definitely a history-rich and cultural-rich city. So we do
it gives you a new
it.
appreciation for all of the architecture and the colors and the different parts of the city, like the French Quarter and the Dutch and all that kind of stuff. So stuff we would have never learned without doing the walking tour.
Yeah, they did a really good job of giving us some of like the Inca history, but also telling us how Cusco has like grown and expanded and introduced many other cultures to it.
Yeah, so I think that's where we're gonna end this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Comment below if you like it.
You only have like my head floating in the corner.
Floaty head.
You know that, hey?
Floaty head.
You saw that?